Is this officially the cheapest European capital city in 2026?
We're going on a city break.
Not just any city break. It sits where two of Europe's biggest rivers meet, the Danube and the Sava. You can still get a local beer for under £2. Its name literally translates to the White City. In 2025, this city made all public transport completely free. It's also outside the Schengen zone, meaning your 90-day EU allowance stays completely untouched. And, despite being hundreds of miles from the sea, it has a 7-kilometre beach. The flight from Luton takes just under 3 hours, and on paper it sounds like one of the cheapest city breaks in Europe. Have you guessed it yet? We are in
Belgrade!
We were staying in the old town, Stari Grad in Serbian. 3 nights here cost us £120. We were right in the centre, within walking distance to most things. Although on the first night we didn't go far, we just headed out to the main pedestrian street. A pizza, a goulash and 2 drinks came to £40, which isn't outrageous, but it wasn't what we'd imagined either. The food was really good, but we were worried we'd underestimated our budget for the weekend at those prices. It definitely felt like we'd been lured into a typical first night tourist trap. Day 2 and we headed south, away from the old town towards the Savski Venec district. So we're heading to find this bakery. We're going to try and find something called burek, which is a Serbian pastry filled with mincemeat, cheese and bechamel sauce. We've been walking for about 15 minutes, so I hope this bakery is worth it. This is the Tripkovic bakery. It's got a really good reputation, and actually you can see it must have because the queues outside. Let's go queue up. Very busy in there. Each one of these trays, they're serving about 5 every 2 minutes they're going through. Hello, is it English? Listen, can I have burek? Meat, please. Meat, yeah. Just for one. Yeah. Here. Go. Sorry? Burek. Yes. One for one person. Holy God. This looks mental.
It's messy,
like
I'll give you that.
Is it a bit like a pasta?
Kinda.
Yeah. It's really good.
Really nice.
Meat and cheese. It looks really greasy for breakfast.
It is really greasy actually. Messy. Imagine trying to eat this and walk.
Yeah, I would not.
I don't know how people have done that. They must be taking it home, surely.
The whole of this with that. 2 of those little cheesy croissants and the vegetable.
That looks yummy.
For £3 for all that. Mad. We've been here 15 minutes now, but we're eating out, but the queue is out the door still.
I want to find some coffee. A coffee shop to sit down in.
Okay.
Second from bottom.
Catholic Slagon. I think Slagon's in the different language categories. In German is cream. So it might be cafe with cream, but that's chocolate. So mocha, hot chocolate. With cream, yeah, with cream. Hot chocolate with cream. Oh, there you go, Damacha Cafe, that's it. I saw that one on the internet. So we're here now, we've just been to the bakery and had our breakfast, and now we've come to a coffee shop about a 5-minute walk away, and we're going to have a Turkish coffee, which apparently in Serbia is the done thing to do. Oh, here it comes.
Oh, thank you.
Thank you. Thank you very much. This coffee has the ground still in the bottom of it. That is the coffee. It is strong.
My stomach's bubbling already, just looking at it.
Is it really? I'm not surprised. Wish us luck. Cheers. Oh.
It's a bit already.
How are you supposed to do that?
Are you supposed to wait?
What, 3 days? Fuck me, that's horrible. Oh. I've had coffee around in my mouth.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Maybe you're supposed to mix it and then move it.
I don't know. Oh my God, it's like solid at the bottom. This was a bad idea.
Well, why don't we just get a nice coffee? Dude, this doesn't seem right. Do you think she's having a tap? But do you reckon they're like in the back watching the cameras? Like what they're going to do?
These idiots.
Is there a camera around here?
There, probably. Ah, that's better.
So we were supposed
think
to
so.
stir it.
Maybe.
Because that's looking a bit
Still
healthier.
flipping strong.
Right, I'm going to try it.
Colin, let me know
Coffee
your thoughts.
connoisseur. It's good.
Do you like it?
I like it, but you do have to have it in tiny sips, otherwise you'll have all of that.
Like I did the first mouthful.
Yeah.
Turns out Turkish coffee is a lesson in patience, one we clearly hadn't learnt yet.
All of the public transport here is free, and it apparently has been since 2025.
Which makes getting around town pretty easy, even if they are a bit busy. There's 100 people on this bus right now. This is Kalemegdan. It's been fought over in 115 different battles and razed to the ground 40 times apparently. It's effectively the birthplace of the city, and best of all, entrance to the grounds are completely free. If you want to bring your children, they've got a really cool little dinosaur park. We're at the top of the fortress. This is a statue of the victor with lovely views over the Danube.
I'm very happy.
She's found a zoo. Belgrade Zoo is tucked right inside the fortress walls. It's one of the oldest in Europe apparently, but it's definitely small. It feels a world away from the modern enclosures you'd see back at home. To be honest, what we saw inside was so unexpected that we're actually going to make a whole separate video just to talk about it. So we've stopped at this bar. We were hoping it was going to do lunch, but it doesn't, it's just drinks. So we're trying a Biroslav, and it's made by this company that owns this pub, I think. Looks a bit murky though. Looks a bit like a morning wee.
You need to drink more water.
Even with the free buses, we'd walked about 10 miles by this point, so we tracked down a bar called Nazati. We got a sausage platter and had a couple of pints, which was about £15 all in. Not bad for a capital city. So we're on Ciganlija, I think it's called that, for dinner. Well, we're looking for places for food, but everywhere looks absolutely rammed. And we haven't booked. As you can see in the windows, everywhere is busy as fuck. Apparently this is a bit of a tourist trap anyway, so we've been on the street for less than a minute and we've had someone trying to sell us roses, like an 8-year-old kid, and some random people just coming up to us showing us their phones. We've decided to have sort of like a takeaway tonight because we had a late lunch at about 4, so we're not really that hungry. So we're going to go and try and find a bar. What's the bar called? We're in the Gunners pub. It's like an ale house or got loads of random beers on tap. So if you like your beers, this would be the place to be, but let's see what comes out. And it's really hot in here. If you give this beer a try, cheers. Tastes like bananas. So we found this bar called Old Town Gastro Bar. We're going to try some Serbian wine.
I mean, look how cute it looks. Does that look like here though?
It looks like the street run, doesn't it? We're in so we're in a bit of a tourist trap area, Skadarska Street. 675 for a 150ml of wine. It's close to £5 for a medium-sized glass of wine. The wine was good, but we weren't finished. You can't leave Belgrade without trying the street food, so we went on a hunt for a late-night pleskovica and a shish. A pleskovica is a massive spiced meat patty, and the shish is their version of a kofta kebab. Morning.
Morning.
So we've checked online, and apparently the National History Museum, or the History Museum of Serbia, is free on a Sunday.
That's where we're going. It looks shut.
It's free to get in, if you can break in. We eventually found the right door, but it turns out the free Sunday info we were given was a bit of a nightmare, and it cost us 400 dinar each to get in, which is only about £3. So we were in there 20 minutes, 19 minutes technically.
Yep.
Verdict?
It wasn't what I was expecting. I don't know. It was good to look at, but I don't know what I thought it was going to be.
very wordy. You could have paid another 2,000 dinar for an English tour, but that seems excessive. Nearly another £8 just for the tour. I think that'd be one of those headphone things.
Yeah, probably.
So, yeah, we're off to the National Museum now. We're heading down to the Church of Sava.
We made it onto the bus.
I don't think the camera does it justice.
No, that's really nice. We made it.
We're at the Church of St. Sava, which, according to Google, is the 82nd biggest church in the world.
Looks pretty impressive.
Let's get in and have a look. Wow. Bloody hell. Quite incredible that we got to witness prayer time, wasn't it? We nearly just got on the wrong bus.
This is the right one.
We're heading to the Bridge pub, which according to Google looks like one of the cheapest bars in Belgrade. So let's just see how much we can get a pint for. Google wasn't lying. A pint here was only about £1.80, easily the cheapest round of the weekend. With the drinks sorted, we headed to a kafana for our final dinner. These are traditional Serbian taverns where the food is heavy, the music is usually loud and the portions are ridiculous.
Morning.
It's 10 to 10 on Monday morning and we are now just about to check out. We're all packed up and we're ready to have our final day in Belgrade. Let's get on with it.
Hi.
Hello. Thank you very much indeed. It was lovely. Thank you for everything.
Thank you.
I think I've just left my watch in the room. So the first stop is the morning coffee. Looks good, darling.
It does look good.
Ready for the big reveal on the coffee. Aww. One thing we've noticed is that, well, it's January and we're sat outside having a coffee. It's lovely out here today. And it's a good coffee. So I was trying to be helpful and I just had a wrestling match with 2 coffee cups. I well and truly lost, unfortunately. And
the
made a
poor
huge
girl
mess
next
outside
to
the
us.
coffee shop.
That's after being cleaned up.
Yeah, after the clean-up. We might catch it, you know.
Nah.
So we've made it onto the bus, number 56, and we're heading down to the lake, which is a man-made lake.
Like a beach situation, I think.
Yeah, so in the summer, it might be quite nice to lounge, but we're going to go see what it's like in January. We're heading quite a way out of town now. The buses are still free here though. To get to the lake, you've got to get off at the bus stop near the Ada Mall, which is just there. The bus stop is there. The lake is over there somewhere. This is the largest man-made lake in Belgrade.
It feels deserted, doesn't it?
It does. It feels like in the summer this will be heaving though. So we might be 20 minutes from the centre of town in a landlocked country. But that doesn't mean you still can't go to the beach, although I wouldn't advise it in January. Let's go and get some breakfast. Hopefully.
Hello.
What do you want? What's it? Oh, that's it.
So,
We got a cheesy one. Is it cheese?
yeah, let's try the cheese one.
Cheese? Do you have cheese? Yes, please. Just one, two, yeah. Yeah, perfect. Thank you. Thank you, Charles. Get the size of that. It's good. It's warm still.
Nice.
Lovely.
Right, get them in the bag. Cat whisperer. The meat one.
We've come to this bar And we're having a rave at lunchtime
Cats.
with cats.
Yeah, I've got a little cat food there.
They have the cat food down there, okay. Looks like these things were built in the war. To finish the trip, we went for a bit of a curveball to see what a premium Serbian burger looked like in McDonald's. Hello, do you speak English?
Yes, we can try.
Lovely. Can I have a Planinski meal with jalapeno? Yes. Do you do beer in here? Okay, no. If you think McDonald's got expensive in the UK, this was £18.50 in Serbia.
I mean,
no, it's not that big, is it? I mean, this is McDonald's, the chips are hot. I'm not going to lie though, the Planinski burger is pretty damn good, but is it worth a tenner? Nice? Worth a tenner?
we are heading to the airport. I am worried that we're a bit late now.
Got
Gate closes at 4:05.
Gate closes at 4:05. We're going to get there at
22
3:05.
minutes, yeah.
So we'll have an hour to get through the airport. Yeah, we'll be fine. So the final damage for 3 nights in Belgrade. The total cost of the trip came in at £445. That's about £222 each. We had paid £88 for the flights and £120 for the hotel, which left us roughly £237 for food, drink and seeing the city. That works out at just under £40 per person per day, and keep in mind we spend £30 on taxis to and from the airport. If you're really on a budget, you could do that for £2 on the minibus and save even more. Considering we didn't hold back on the food or the beer, and we saw the majority of the major sites for absolutely nothing, it's been incredible value. If you want a city break that doesn't break the bank, Belgrade is massive value for money.